afternoon, class. Today, we want to talk about uh, work done without time and acceleration. How do we calculate this? They said they can move from 8 meters per second to 12 meters per second. And they said find the work done by the car. So, if the mass is 15 kg, then we have work is equal to force times distance. Now, this one is a moving force, so it will involve acceleration. Now, force is equal to m times a. Now let's take a look at this. We have velocity here. Let's say, according to first equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at. Now, and what is our v? Our v is final velocity, which is 12, initial velocity, which is 8. Now that is 12 is equal to 8 plus 80, then 80 equal to 12 minus it. Or, so that you will understand, because in the rule of math, if this is equal to, it means 8 plus 80 can be equal to 12. This side is equal to this side. Then 80 equal to 12 minus 8, and 80 equal to 4 meter. We don't have unit here, because if you want to say the unit will be in velocity. Now the unit is still in velocity, so we should take note. Now, something like this, the unit is still in velocity. Now, 80 is this. Then what are we going to do? Divide by A, because we want to know theta. T equal to 4 over 8. This is significant. Since we have find the time to be equal to 4 divided by acceleration, then we can switch it in and set x is equal to ut plus 1 over 2 at squared. Now, as this, x, our u is 8, our t is 4 over a, then 4 over a plus at, listing, times t over 2. Now, x is equal to 32 over a plus 80. Our 80 is 4 times, now this is our t is 4 over 8. Everything divided by 2. Then x is going to be 32 over a plus 4 times 4. That will give us 16 over a divided by 2 over 1. Then x is going to be 32 over a plus 16 over a times 1 over 2. It will change. Then here we now have x equal to 32 over a plus 16 over 2a. Now, a to a, what are we going to do? We are going to find the LCM, which is 2a. How many a can we see in 2a? It is 2. And 2 times 32 will give us 64 plus, this will be 16. Now, how do this? X is going to be 64 plus 16. It means we have what we know as 80 over 2a. The x is equal to 40 over 8. Now, we got our x to be 40 over 8. Then there is no crime than for us to what? To switch in and set w equal to f times x, original equation. W equal to ma times x is 40 over 8. The a will cancel a. Then w equal to, what is m? M is mass is 15 times 40. The process 15 times 4, that will be 60 joule, which means that this is the work that the car perform. Now, this is so as simple as this. So without the use of time, without the use of acceleration, you can still find work done if your mass is given. And even if your mass is constant, you can also find it. It means this mass may not be there. So it means that when we are calculating, this is the deep knowledge of physics. If you like this post, like and share it. Then subscribe to Redmond's Tutors. I'm going to be meeting next time, and we're going to discuss more about this particular topic, which is work. Then, in case if you need any questions, you can type it on the comment section so we can work on it and give you the answer. Thank you.